Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to use schedule feature in ClickUp. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your ClickUp application. Then this type of interface will appear in your screen once you have logged into your account. Then in home section you can see agenda section. In the right side of your screen you can see more setting. There, click to calendar. There, tap on any place you like to schedule an event. There, enter the task of your name of the task, then click to create task. Then it will be scheduled to that time. You can also schedule a task by clicking to new and going to reminder. Then in date, you pick up the date you like and also add the time. There, enter the name or type of your task, then click to create reminder. Then your task will be scheduled. This is how you can use schedule feature in ClickUp. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment, and do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.